Okay, today we're going to cover exercise 10.1, a few examples. Okay, first and foremost, let's go for 1b. Okay, 1b, they say find the length of the chord AB. Alright, now to find the length of the chord AB, first I give you a very quick sketch, okay, of the question. So there's a chord, alright, A, B. Okay, then they give you this information like this. Okay, first and foremost, right, as we have learned, okay, that when we draw from the center, okay, to this point here, M on the chord, right, what it forms, right, is a perpendicular bisector. So it means that MB is equals to MA, like this. Okay, then now there's also some other information given, alright, inside the question, where we know that OA is 15 and OM is equal to 6. So therefore now, if what we want to do is, alright, we know that perpendicular bisector means that this angle here is 90 degrees. So once we see a right angle triangle, the first thing we can do is to apply Pythagoras Theorem. So I write there, by Pythagoras Theorem. Okay, 15 square is equals to 6 square plus MB square. Then you quickly solve for this. You say that MB square is equals to 15 square minus 6 square, which gives you 189. So MB square is equals to 189, and we solve by square rooting both sides. MB is equals to square root of 189. Okay, I will not evaluate MB first, because we know that MB equals to MA. Like this. Okay, so how will that help us in this case? Okay, we will know that once this is called okay, we write down the abbreviation here. Okay, perpendicular from center bisects chord. Now that we know that MB equals MA, and also reasoning is very important, please remember to write down your reasons when you do your work. Okay, I know that AB will be equals to 2 times of MB is equals to 2 times of square root 189. Just use your calculator there. 2 times of square root 189 should give us 27.5 cm. And that is question 1b. Okay, next one that we are going to do will be question 2a. Question 2a. Okay, let me just shift everything up. Okay, 2a works like this. They say find the radius of the circle. So if you want to find radius of circle, first I give a quick sketch of the question. Okay, we have this one, we have here the chord. This is CD, alright, and we know that this is perpendicular, and this point here, O to this point here, is 5 cm. Okay, now where is the radius of circle? If you notice, the radius of circle will be here. OC is a radius of circle, because from the center to circumference there's a radius OC. Okay, I shall call this point M. Okay, now, okay, MC is equals to MP. Why? Reason again, perpendicular from center, okay, bisects chord. Like this. And therefore, if the whole of CD is equals to 24 cm, alright, so therefore CMC is equals to half of CD, which is equals to half of 24 cm. What I get is that MC is equals to 12 cm. So I label here, okay, this point here I label it is 12 cm. So now for me to find the radius OC, okay, so I apply Pythagoras Theorem. So I write by Pythagoras Theorem. OC square is equals to 5 square plus 12 square. OC square is equals to 169. You square it both sides. OC is equals to 13. So therefore, the radius is equals to 13 cm. And that is question 2a. Now we move on to next question, question 3a. Okay, question 3a. If you notice, they want you to find the perpendicular distance from the center O to the chord PQ. So basically what we have here is, I draw the rough sketch of the circle. So we want PQ. Okay, the center here is O. The perpendicular distance I'm looking for here is OM, like that. The perpendicular distance is OM. Okay, and this portion here is 17 cm. Okay, the whole of PQ. Now again, same thing, we know that MQ is equals to MP because it's perpendicular bisector of, okay, perpendicular bisector of the chord will pass through the radius. Perpendicular from center bisects chord. Okay, perpendicular from center bisects chord. Like this. Okay, so therefore if we know that PQ is equals to 30 cm, okay, I can say that MQ is equals to half of PQ. So it's half of 30 cm is equals to 15 cm. So I label down here MQ is equals to 15 cm. Now again, same thing, we by Pythagoras Theorem, okay, 17 square is equals to 15 square plus OM square. C square equals to A square plus B square. We just rearrange the equation around. OM square is equals to 64. You square it both sides. OM is equals to 8. So therefore the perpendicular distance is equals to 8 cm. Now we move on to the next example, question 4. Okay, question 4. Okay, let's draw the diagram out now. Okay, we have again A, B, C, then we have a center. Okay, this portion here is called OM. This portion here is called ON. This is the two things here. Now the first question, they okay, let's label the parts. They say AB is equals to BC equals to 80 cm. So this is 80, alright, and BC is also equals to 80, like this. Alright, they also tell us that OM is equals to 9 cm. The first thing they want us to find is ON. Notice that AB and BC, okay, AB is equals to BC, which means that these two are equal chords. Can? So I write there AB is equals to BC, okay, and they are equal chords because the length is the same. Okay, now the property that we learned from the previous video is that that these two, if they are equal chords, means that they are equidistant or same distance from the center of the circle. So in this case, you can just say that ON is equals to OM is equals to 9 cm. Okay, and the reason here is because equal chords are equidistant. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. like this. So we have already done the first part already, which is 4a. Now 4b, they want us to find the radius of the circle. Same thing again, I just connect this portion here. OA is the radius down there. Okay, so this OA is the radius. What we can do here now is this. Okay, same thing. AM is equals to half of AB, so it's half of AT is equals to 40 cm, and the reason here being perpendicular from center bisects chord, like this. Okay, now same thing again, we will just apply Pythagoras theorem. So it's B. So by Pythagoras theorem, okay, OA square is equals to 40 square plus 9 square. OA square equals to 1681, and finally the value of OA, you square root both sides, is equals to 41. So OA from center to circumference is the radius, so therefore the radius of circle is equals to 41 cm. And that is the last part for the examples, okay, of this 10.1. Thank you for watching.